Hey, it's snowing. Let's go plant some onions. No, not outside, inside. This year, we're growing over 300 onions, so we're gonna do them in this large seed starting tray. We're gonna be growing some yellow onions from Burpee and some red onions from M.I. Gardener. You see, onions separate really easily from each other when you start picking them apart, so you can grow multiple onions in one confined space. These are just the bottom trays that usually catch the excess water from your seed starting cells. The top one, I drilled a bunch of drainage holes, and then in the bottom one, I have popsicle sticks laying across just so they don't go completely together and it allows the water to drain. For starting the seeds, I'm just using organic potting mix. Many people use dedicated seed starting blends. Those can get pretty expensive for a small bag when these are like $6 for 50 pounds. With the potting mix having some organic material added to it, you do have some bigger sticks and chunks that you need to pick out and separate, but other than that, this seems to work well. Now that we're back inside, I'm going to go ahead and break up this dirt with my hands so we can get it as fine as it can be for starting our seeds. We're then going to water this thoroughly, and I'm using straight hot water because this bag of soil was stored in the cold garage. We want a nice, warm, and moist consistency for the seeds. I've got a red marker and a yellow marker for our onions, and I've just got some popsicle sticks down the middle separating the two. For actually planting the seeds, you don't have to go through and poke individual holes an 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch through. You can just sprinkle them across the top of the soil. Once I'm finished spreading all the seeds, I'm going to spread a nice thin layer of fresh soil across the top and then go through and gently pat it down. I'm then going to spray it down with a light mist just so that the top layer is moistened up a bit, and then it's time to put them under the grow lights. So that's how we started our onions this year. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If you got any questions or comments, just drop them down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.